Welcome to Veterinary Wellbeing Wisdom Tiny Bites. Here's your host, citizen scientist in neurology, neuroplasticity, and positive psychology, Sandy Weaver.
You are having a stressful day. You've been going since you walked in the door. People have been grouchy or downright rude. Cases have been puzzling. You haven't had a break and you feel like you're about to break. Here is your science-based, stress-busting solution. Go outside. If it's not pouring down rain, go outside. Even if it's overcast and the skies look moody, go outside. Take a 10-minute break outside at least once every day. The fresh air and the rays of the sun, even when you can't see them, boost your dopamine levels and lower your stress levels. Congratulate yourself before you go back in for using science to improve your day. For tools to create more success in your life, visit centerforworkplacehappiness.com.
Want more tiny bites of veterinary well-being wisdom? Subscribe to the podcast and share it with your friends. And there's lots more at centerforworkplacehappiness.com. Here's to your well-being, one tiny bite at a time.